What's up, guys? It's Ralph from the Rensselaer Honda Parts Department. I'm going to show you guys how to replace a wiper blade on a 24 Civic hatchback. It also applies to a lot of the other vehicles. Generally, it's like 22 and newer. So let's get after it. All right, so first things first, we're going to put the wipers into service mode. So what you're going to do is you're going to start the vehicle up. Once you start the vehicle up, you're going to turn it right back off, but after you turn it off, right here, you're going to hold this upwards. I'll show you guys what I mean. So we're going to shut the car off. See where it says mist? Upwards. Shut it off. And then release. Now they're in service mode. And we can change them properly. Alright, so once you have your blades in service mode, you're able to change them out. So you're going to come over to your blade, you're going to press down on this black square, you're going to pull your blade right out from the top of the blade, not from this black mechanism. Number one thing, do not let go of this arm. It'll come down, hit your windshield, and no go. Alright, press down on the black button, pull straight out. Put some sort of rag or cloth underneath it so it doesn't scratch or damage the windshield. Get your replacement blade, black tab on the bottom, pull the blade up, set it nice and flush. You might have a difficulty getting it in, and then with a little bit of force, push it right back down in, gently put it back down. And repeat the same process on the other side. You got two brand new wiper blades. Alright, so once you're done replacing both sides of the blades, hop back into your vehicle. And you're going to get your blades out of service mode. It's as simple as turning the vehicle on and pressing the same exact button to put them into service mode. So you can turn the car on and just press up once. Just like that. Brand new wiper blades. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be posting more videos shortly.